Hi, my name is Victoria and I have November's Glam bag and Boxycharm to spoil with you guys. I am so excited. I can't wait to show you guys all the juicy products, so let's get into it. Now let's start with the Glam bag. I absolutely love these little bags. I have a collection of these and I love to use them when I am on the go. These are perfect for traveling. First up, we have the Glow Recipe Pomegranate Peptide Firming Serum. This little serum is packed with polypeptides, including copper peptides and hyaluronic acid, so it's going to really smooth the skin. So if you're looking for something to plump, hydrate, and just smooth your skin, this is for you. Next, we have the Amore palette from Magic. This little palette comes with 5 different shades. These are absolutely perfect for fall. I'm actually wearing this one. This is In Love on the inner corner of my eyelids. This palette is perfect to take on the go. It's so small and convenient. You can just throw it in your bag. If you're like me, I do my makeup in the car a lot, and this is the perfect size. Okay, this is definitely something that I need. This is the Marc Anthony Repair Bond Rescue Plex Leave-In Treatment. I dye my hair probably every 6 months. I apply a lot of heat to it, so I need a good leave-in treatment that's also a bond treatment, and this is it. This will not only hydrate your hair, it will revive it, it will improve the color vibrancy and protect it from heat. Now we have a little something from Commodity Fragrance. I'm a fragrance hoarder, so I'm excited to try this. This is Juice Expressive. All right, let's test this. Oh, I smell a little bit of strawberry, a little woodiness. Ooh, this will be really good for a date night. You can go from like day to night. Throw this in your little purse, take it on the go. She is an icon. She is a legend. The Miss Anastasia Beverly Hills Crystal Lip Gloss. This is the perfect clear gloss to layer up with lip liner or even wear alone. I already know she's amazing because I carry her big sister around in my purse. Just look at that glass-like shine. That Glam bag had some really amazing products, but now let's get into the Boxycharm. First up, we have the Ren Clean Skincare. This is their PHA exfoliating facial. Instead of penetrating as deeply into the skin, it works its magic on the skin surface. This will give you that glow without irritating your skin. And if you're someone like me that has sensitive skin, this is perfect. Up next is the Violet Voss Disco Drip Eyeshadow Palette. If you like color, this is for you. This palette is definitely giving the disco drip because look at those vibrant, pretty colors. Now we have the Living Proof Scalp Care Dry Scalp Treatment. This is a must for me because ever since moving, my scalp has been super dry and itchy. This treatment is one that you apply after your shower. You know, once your scalp is clean, your hair is damp, you apply this. This has hyaluronic acid in it, so it's gonna really soothe and hydrate the scalp. It's kind of like a serum for your scalp. The icon is back. Anastasia Beverly Hills. We have the lip liners with the 4 different shades. I am actually wearing Dusty Rose and Deep Taupe right now. If you're looking for lip liners that will last all day, these will be your best friend. And our last spoiler is the iconic London Lit and Luminous Baked Highlighter. She is gorgeous. This is a shade Universal and she will have you glowing from a mile away. And that is it for November spoilers. I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I did. Don't forget to subscribe to Glam Bag and Boxycharm. The link is in the description box below. Like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment with your favorite spoiler because I would love to hear, and subscribe to the channel to stay in the know. See you guys next time. Bye.